concern a lot of people have when driving at higher speeds is going into reverse gear by accident, as perhaps that is where their gear 6 was on their previous car. So we can see here the road's going to national speed limit, which is going to be 70 miles per hour. So I'm going to build my speed up and go through my gears. So I'm in third gear at the moment, and I'll use gear 3, third gear, to build speed. The engine is revving, but I'm not going to go for gear 4, I'm just going to skip to gear 5. By setting gear 3, I could accelerate faster. So now I'm doing 50 miles an hour. Now this is where often you might use gear 6 in some cars. So let's see what happens. I will try that on this car. It just won't go. I went clutch down, it didn't move because the clutch wasn't down, the clutch was fully down, but it just won't move down. You're blocked off from going into reverse gear. It's a safety feature on cars, so you can't go into reverse gear when you're moving at high speeds. Let's now try at a slightly slower speed. Let's try at 40 miles per hour. So I'm at 40 now, I'm going to then go for gear 5, and then I'm now going to try and go into my gear 6, which is actually reverse gear on this car. Again, it just won't go. It doesn't go down. It's designed to not go into reverse gear when you're moving. Like we saw, if we're in 5th gear and we try to go directly into reverse, it just won't go, it completely blocks you. But what about if we try to go from 4th gear to reverse gear? So as you see there, it still doesn't go in, but it makes that noise. Now if you forced it, it could possibly go into reverse gear. But I'm not going to test that, because that's going to really damage my gearbox. And it also follows the advice, you should never force anything with the gears when you're driving. So if you move from the gear stick, it doesn't quite feel right, don't force it, there's something you're not doing quite right. Perhaps you're going into the wrong gear, perhaps your clutch isn't fully down.